Hey guys, what's up? Today, we are playing this game called Crowd City. And so far, I made it to 5 rank. And guess how many skins I got? What the heck? Let me touch the darn... there. As I go up, they're not bad for me. I started with the blues first, but then I started getting this. I went on the snake, and the snakes went crazy. So, you know what? I'm tired of seeing my name called player. I don't want to see my name as player. It's annoying to see everyone see you as, oh, okay, so his name is actual player. Okay. Wolf. This is what I'm gonna call in here. Okay, now let's go get some people. Let's go get some people. Alright, wolves. Guys, if you see a wolf apocalypse, never be in one. Because if I ever seen one, I'll run. That's the number one thing I would do. Run! Run for your life! Come here, darn people. We need a wolf army. Yeah, we're getting our wolf army all set up. Now, what we need to do is start killing people. Not just people. People. Whoa. That one's at 37. I should stay with. Wait a minute, I'm at... Ah! No! No! Get away from me! You're killing my team! Now great. I'm stuck with 2 wolves. Well, at least we got more. Okay, let's restart. Now, we're getting more, okay? We have to get more. Ah, no! No! Get out! Wait, what? Where does it say I got... Oh, there we go. And for a second I thought it said, like, I only had 3. Where the heck would the 3rd one be? And still in the pile where I just ran right throughout. Wolf Invader is heading in for combat. Okay. A person has... I need to find lower people. There doesn't seem to be any lower people. Okay, we got a person... Oh my god. Yeah, run. Run, run, run. That person's... No, 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 no. No. Get away from a wolf pack. Darn freak. Okay. Oh no! He's killing me! Oh. Save yourself, I say! Okay. Okay. Everyone wants to kill me. Since I was named player, they want to kill me. And now they recognize me and like, oh my god, let's kill him. Oh my god. Okay, guys, we gotta restart on that. Oh my god. They're out to get me. What the heck is this game? Is this some kind of milk football? Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, if you play this game, leave a like and tell me in the comments what you think about this game. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Someone's at 3 on the bottom. Let's go get him. He's probably a chicken to even hide right now. I'm coming for you. I'm gonna hunt you. I'm hunting for my prey. Prey! It's feeding time, boys! Okay, get away, get away, get away. I don't want you to eat. Oh no, he's right behind me. He's right behind me. Run, run. He's right behind me. Kill the level 12 person. Okay, person, we're coming to get you. No, don't try to run. You can't resist it. Well, actually, you can resist it. So get back over here. You can't run away from me. It's illegal. Nah, actually, it's not illegal. Okay, guys. I only got one piece of him. Come on, come on. Oh, we got another one. Oh, we got another one. He's like, get away from me, you creep. No, I want to win. You quit eating my people. No, I want to level up, sucker. Oh God. Oh, wait. He's not. Wait a minute. He's like, no, my people, I worked so hard to get them. No, you darn wolves, get away from me. No, I'm gonna win. So you're gonna have to die. Oh, you're next. Oh my God, charge! Ah, he's eating us! Help us! Oh my God, it's starting to get a little laggy here. But if you saw this many wolves, run! He's like, help me, please! I don't want to handle this anymore. Oh, purple. You know what, buddy? I should leave you alone. I should go after the purple. After how many people I ate of yours? Okay, purple had 26. Okay. Come here, you fool. You can't run. He's like, oh no! He's after me. I don't care. I just want to eat you because you seem to have a lot of meal. Okay, you have You taste so You taste so good. You taste like I don't know, fried chicken with a burger slice. Well, nah, actually, guys, nah, actually, you forget about what I said because all you would think I'm weird and confusing. Okay, Wolf Invader in first place. The first place champion. Oh. Oh my God, if you guys actually play this and you see a lot of wolves, tell me what you think because you might be one of my subscribers that I just ate. Oh my God. If you are, though, if you are though, but I would be like, oh my God, what did I do to one of my subscribers? Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is too funny. And tell me what you think about the bendy video I did. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to end it here. We did 2 rounds of that, so